What's up, YouTube? This is Muff Nugget 3, and today we have the new 2013 Collector's Tins. The Tidal has the better promos of this one and the between this one and the blaster. I'm gonna do a blaster next, but yeah, this looks really cool. They really put detail into this. So we have it in Arsenal 5. So you get 2 Tachyon, 2 Abyss Rising, and your promo pack. Alright, so let's do the promo pack. Alright, we have Tidal, which looks pretty sexy. We have BLS, that looks really nice. Taster, Gustav Max, and Bear. Let's put those up there and start with the Hidden Arsenal. I really don't know much about the Hidden Arsenal 5, so I'm just going to run through it. Alright, so let's start with the Abyss Rising. Spell of Eternity. Alright. Remember Abyss Spike. Alright, nothing from the Abyss Rising. Let's pull a Tachyon. Really not hoping for much since the promos pay for itself. Ooh, and we have a Gauntlet Launcher and a Yugioh. I mean, wait, what did I say? I don't know. The promos pay for itself. That's what I want to say. So, Exceed Revenge and just that. So, just one Ultra. It's got a launcher. And yeah, like I said, the promos are pretty much worth it. And yeah, that's it for now. This is Muff Nugget out.